welcome back to How to Fertilize Your Budget. Today we're going to look at Amazon. I use Amazon for a lot of my purchases because I'm an Amazon Prime member. If you have certain conditions, like if you're on certain types of government assistance, if you're a full-time student, things of that nature, there are discounted plans. You can do a monthly fee, you can do an annual fee. I do the annual fee because to me that's cheaper, but it's your personal preference. But if you have an Amazon Prime account, then make sure you're getting the most out of your Amazon Prime. And how do I get the most out of my Amazon Prime? Well, I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but you can look at your daily deals, and daily deals offer a well, exactly what it says. Today, there are certain things that are on sale, and they're cheaper than they are. This one is 45% off the regular price. I may or may not be interested in any of this stuff, but the main reason why I go to daily deals is because up here, there is an option for coupons. If you click on coupons, you can browse all of them. You can look by selection or category here. I'm going to look at, let's go with household supplies. Alright, well, let's say that I want some Tide laundry detergent. Well, I can click this coupon here and then go and put Tide into my cart. And when I check out, that $2 is already automatically deducted from my bill. So, Amazon coupons is a great way to save money on Amazon. Another great way to save money on Amazon is by using Subscribe and Save. Subscribe and Save allows you to have the things that you use on a regular basis automatically shipped to you. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it or not, I'm going to blow it up a little bit. If you can see here, I have things on my Subscribe and Save. And what it says here, this 15% or 5%, if I have at least 5 items that ship in any particular month on Subscribe and Save, then I get an additional 15% off of that price. And if there's a coupon, I can click on the coupon and have it applied as well. So you can use those both ways. So there is a couple of ways to save money on Amazon. Oh, one more thing I want you to see. Let's go back here. I'm going to get rid of that blow up so that I can see. Let's go back to the home page. We got to go one more. There we go. If you are using gift cards, if you are getting gift cards from your different survey sites, then this is where you're going to go to add a gift card. And it's up here at the top. It's not going to let me blow that up because it gets it off the screen. But it's at the top here. It says deliver to. It's got your name and what have you. And then there's a list by, again, browsing history, your Amazon.com, today's deals, and then gift cards. If you click on that gift cards, it gives your gift card balance. Mine is 0 right now. You can reload your balance, and that will allow you to buy, like, putting it on a credit card or something like that if you wanted to add to your gift card, or you can redeem an Amazon gift card. So this is where you would go to click to add your gift card. And as you can see, it says enter claim code. Then you would just copy and paste it off of whatever email or app or whatever that you got that code off of and paste it in there, click apply to your account. You can also go and view your account balance from this page here. It says up here at the top, view your balance. You can look at your history of what gift cards you've had and how you've used them. And if you are using MTurk, then when you cash out or redeem your money off of MTurk, you can choose to have it automatically applied to your gift card balance. If you are not familiar with MTurk, MTurk is Amazon's survey site. www.mturk.com. You do have to apply. This is not something that you automatically just start using just because you sign up. Sign in as a worker. Let's see, get started as Amazon Mechanical Turk is where you're going to apply it. Once you have been approved. You get an email saying you've been approved. Then you can click sign as a worker, and there's a list there to choose from. I'm not going to bring that list up because I'm not sure about their confidentiality. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show that, because they have customers that post those surveys or tasks, or this is actually called a click worker site that that you go through and do, and it's things like completing a survey or picking things out of an image. I've done transcribing on there. I've looked up website information like phone numbers and stuff like that. And once you complete the task, it'll either say submit, or it will give you a code you have to copy and paste back into their completion code box. Make sure you get that in there. If you don't, you won't get paid. They have rejects. If you're rejected, then it actually goes against you in your percentage of whether acceptance percentage is basically what it is. And if you get that rejection percentage too high or acceptance percentage too low, then some of the workers will automatically disqualify you for their work. So be sure you're following what they say, following directions, putting that completion code back in there. When you have a link to click on to open a survey, right click it, open it in another page. Don't open it on that page, because if you do, you may not be able to return back to it to put the completion code in. So it probably won't count against you, but you won't get paid for it either. So you don't want to do that. Sometimes it takes several days. I've gone up 2 or 3 weeks waiting for something to be accepted. Don't get upset. Don't start emailing them. If you read what it says, I believe they have 30 days to accept it. So you just have to be patient. But there is a list that you can go to see what's been accepted, and if something's been rejected, explanation of why it was rejected. Most of the time when you get a rejection, it's because you have missed a quality control question. Be sure to read those questions. Don't just go clicking through, because you're going to miss something. And a lot of times they put questions in there and it'll say something like, what's your favorite hobby? And if you read what it says in the description, then it tells you which one to choose as your favorite hobby. And if you don't, then you're automatically disqualified. So be sure to read the directions. Be sure to submit the completion code, and then when you're ready, just tell them to redeem it and send it to your Amazon gift card account. Your other option is Amazon Pay. So if you use Amazon Pay, you might prefer to do it that way. But that's basically it. Those are the tips I have for you today on Amazon. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at learntodosurveys@gmail.com. If you like the videos, subscribe, come back, see what we have. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you again.